Hello and welcome to another F.I.S.H safety video, where F.I.S.H is the future of international safety and health, where we put the future of safety in the hands of people today.
When I grow up, I want to be one of the harvesters of the sea. I think before my days are done, I want to be a fisherman.
Today we're here at Hogue Technology Building, where we're going to talk about woodshop safety. We're going to go inside here in a little bit and talk about a couple machines, PPE, and proper dress wear. Today, our good friend Patrick is going to demonstrate what not to do, where I'm going to demonstrate what to do. Patrick, would you please join us? Now, as you can see, when you go into the wood shop, you want to make sure you have closed-toed shoes, pants, short-sleeved shirt, and your hair tied back. And you want to make sure you have safety glasses and earplugs. As you can see, Patrick here has long hair, long-sleeve shirts, shorts, and flip-flops, which is a big no-no. And as you can also see, he didn't come with his safety glasses today. So let's go into the wood shop and do some demonstrations. Welcome inside the Hogue Tech wood shop. The machine we're going to talk about is the table saw. There's about 78,000 injuries on the table saw every year, occupational and non-occupational. What I'm going to demonstrate is how to safely set up and use the table saw. When setting up your work on the table saw, you want to make sure you have a few tools. A measuring device, a guard, and a push stick. Push sticks aren't always necessary depending on the width of your cutting piece. Here you can see this piece is over 4 inches, so you would not need a push stick in this particular cut. Though in this piece is obviously under 4 inches where you would need a push stick. So when we set up, you want to make sure you measure from the inside of the blade to the guard. So lift this up, push it over. We'll say that's good, just for demonstration's sake. Measure your piece. That looks about right. And then, another important thing, you want to make sure when you're cutting material that the blades, they have at least 3 teeth above your cutting material. That's about good there. As you can see, we have roughly 1, 2, 3 blades. There are 2 blades on this. This is known as a dado cut, but we won't talk about that today. Now, before cutting your piece, you want to make sure you stand off to the side to avoid kickbacks. As you can see here, there's a big safety on-off switch where the start button is small and the stop button is large. This is due to easy access to hit with your knee. Now, when cutting your piece of material, you want to make sure you always push your cutting piece all the way through the blade, just to avoid kickback. And also, when you're cutting long pieces, you want to make sure you have someone on the other side to tail off, not to pull the wood through, but just to kind of hold it to help avoid kickbacks. Now here's Patrick. Don't need that. What's up, Patrick? My hand! Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Hey, URP, come back!
Let's take a look at what went wrong. Aside from Patrick not wearing the proper dress attire, his long hair was not tied back, and he had no personal protective equipment on, we see Patrick disregard his measuring device. Next, Patrick pushes away the guard for ease of cutting. Then, he raises the blade as high as it can possibly go. The final big mistake was Patrick got distracted. You should never distract a person when they are operating any machinery.
Well, thanks for joining us today on our demonstration on safety on a table saw. Tomorrow, we're going to be talking about the drill press, where our friend Heath is going to come in and I'm going to safely show him how to run and operate the drill press. He may be a good hugger, but he's not good with his wood. Remember, when it comes to safety, think F.I.S.H. Oh, hey Heath.
Hey, you look like a good hugger.
Fish on!